In this video, I'll show you how to quickly build and launch your own website for downloading social media videos using Base 44. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the main prompt bar to describe the application I want to create. I'm typing in a request for a video downloader UI, specifically asking for a URL input field, a download button, and a progress bar that starts at 0%. I'll make sure to toggle the plan switch to the on position and then click the generate button to begin the build. Now, the platform starts bringing my idea to life. It suggests a professional design with a deep indigo and violet color palette and a clean centered card layout. Once the generation is complete, the final UI appears on the screen looking sleek and ready for use. To take this site live, I'll move to the top right of the interface and click the Publish button. I'll keep the visibility set to public and then click Publish App to finalize the deployment. My website is now officially live at a unique URL. I'll copy that link and open it in a new tab to see the final result. To test its functionality, I'll head over to YouTube and copy the URL for a music video. Back on my new downloader site, I'll paste that link into the input field and click the download button. Just like that, I've created a fully functional video downloader website in only a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.